Hey, how you doing? My name is Charlie from Full Blast Awesome. I just want to welcome you back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about from lead to close deal using Deckstimate. I'm going to be talking about a case study on how one builder that we work with turned a cold lead into a $42,000 project. That's an amazing return right there. So we're going to be working through a real world case study on how a builder used Deckstimate to turn a lead into a closed 42K project in under a week. Let's break this thing down today. Let's go. So first up, meet the builder. We work with Mike Reynolds from Lakeshore Deck Design. He's a mid-sized deck builder with a team of 4. A couple pain points that he had on there was spending hours quoting each lead, losing jobs faster to competitors out there, and no automated follow-up process. So with Mike on here, we worked out a workflow deal on here, lead to deal on there, where the lead comes in as first step on there. Homeowner filled out the contact form on Mike's website. Next up, Deckstimate sent an instant text notification to Mike that the estimate came in. And basically, he's like, hey, before Deckstimate, this would have sat in my inbox until the evening. Now I see it immediately. That's awesome. Next, on step 2, quick estimate, which equals a fast response in there. Mike pulled up Deckstimate on his phone, right on the site. He entered in a 16 by 24 deck with railing and lighting. It generated a client-ready PDF in under 5 minutes, and he sent the estimate out to the homeowner before leaving the driveway. The time he saved was 2 hours versus manual spreadsheet calculations they used to do before this. Now, step 3 is he followed up with his follow-up that seals the deal on there. The Deckstimate Pro that he ended up with triggered an automated email and SMS within 15 minutes. The homeowner clicked the link, booked a call for an on-site, and approved the quote. The homeowner literally said to him, I went with you because you were the first one to get me an estimate. We all know time is money, and that's the thing that added up for Mike in this. He got the job because he's the first one to answer the phone, first one to get the quote out, first one to get the thing done. So step 4, closing the sale. Site visit confirmed that all the details on there, signed the contract within 48 hours. Project was booked for a 42K custom deck, which is amazing. That's just awesome. Congratulations, Mike. We love seeing that stuff happen. Now, the results on here, let's break down the stats on this for a moment. Time to estimate, 2 to 3 hours was before Deckstimate. With Deckstimate is 5 minutes flat is how fast Mike got this estimate done. The close rate before Deckstimate was average on 30%. With Deckstimate, we're seeing all of our customers across the board getting an average of 55% close rate on there, which is amazing. The average response time before Deckstimate was 1 to 2 days because everybody's busy in the field or had stuff going on in life, all that kind of stuff. Now we're actually able to do it in about an hour on there, tops, which is amazing because time is money, as they say on that. Time saved weekly, 10 to 12 hours before Deckstimate. Basically, all the time now is reinvested into more builds, which gets more return on investment and makes your business grow and stuff like that too. So this is what you're seeing and by using Deckstimate on this. Now, Mike said to us, Deckstimate paid for itself with the very first job. He got a 20K job and he paid for us. He actually signed up for the year on this, which was really amazing because he got about a 20K job that covered the year on that, and we gave him a discount on there. We're like, hey, Mike, you're awesome. We want to help you out, so we gave him a hookup on there. He said, my crew loves it. Less admin, more building. More getting the stuff done. Simple as that, because admin stuff eats up a lot of time. That's what we help you out with. Clients think we're way more professional now. Oh, hey, who doesn't want to be more professional? We don't want to do stuff on napkins. We don't want to do stuff on carbon copy papers anymore. We want to do stuff a lot more accurately. We want to get these jobs turned and burned. We want to make money. Simple as that. So that's awesome. We thank you very much for your feedback, Mike. We appreciate this. Now, here's a couple things that you can do to go ahead and do this for your business as well. I want to talk about how we get the branded and we get the pro upgrades. First and foremost, if you're not already using this, you can go over to our website on fullblastawesome.com. You can click on Use Free Deckstimate. We got a free version of this right here that you can just use on site. You can use it on mobile. You can use it on tablet. You can use it on your computer, etc. And you can just get ready PDFs to send out on jobs. And you can do that for free. There's no cap on this. You can use it unlimited. We'll send you a couple welcome emails and stuff like that for using it, but you can use this as many times as you want. Then, if you want to, you can go over to our $99 branded package, which basically allows your estimate page, which has your logo, your colors, your material and labor rates, all that stuff preloaded up, so you get accurate estimates every time. Get unlimited estimates, client-ready PDFs to send out, all that good stuff. You get a shareable link on your website, your socials. You can text it to your clients, whole kit and caboodle. And we set this whole thing up in less than 48 business hours for you. So you just come over to our website, you click on Start My Branded page, you do the sign up, checkout. We go ahead and ask you for your rates, your logo, all that good stuff, and we get you set up and ready to go. Now, we also have a pro version right here, which you can go and explore pro. We have a full app that we built that includes Deckstimate, which is our estimating platform. And then we actually built this into a bigger package, which is an all-in-one estimating tool. That this thing would have cost you like 50 grand a month to use for like 20 tools across the internet and stuff. But now we do all this stuff where you get all-in-one estimating to run your business from one spot with a full CRM, full automations engine. You save many hours every week. You reply faster than all your competition. You close more jobs with professional PDFs, pipelines, reminders, and reviews. And this is built by deck builders for deck builders. We're deck builders. I built decks with my dad back in the day. You can come in here, you can get a free demo with us. We just jump on Zoom with you. We talk about how this can help your business and you decide if it's worth it or not. If not, you can try the free tool just to go ahead and get a quick thing and see how it's working on there. Or you can automate all this stuff with the Pro tool on here as well. We'll help you out with that. We'll get you all set up. We have a couple different packages that you can do to save some money on here as well. We recommend the 6-month on there because the 6 months saves you some money for one. And this gives you a full time to reap the benefits of what Deckstimate can actually do for you and what the CRM can do and all the automations and everything else that's going on. We have all the benefits right here, or you can also get a free demo to see how this works specifically for your business. Like I say, we just go on a no pressure Zoom call. We go ahead and talk about how this works. I show you what the app looks like. I've done this in other videos here on YouTube if you want to see as well. All that good stuff. We'll get you going on there and stuff. Here's what we have for different plans. We have a free one, which is the estimate generator you can use for free right now. We have the $99 branded one that has your logo, your rates, all that good stuff. And then the Pro includes, of course, everything on there. So why don't you just jump back over here. The branded and Pro upgrades on there. Mike upgraded to branded on there for $99 a month at first. That added the company logo for him, custom rates, all that stuff, embedded on the website. He started getting a lot more leads that way. Then he decided to move up to Pro for $1,800 a month because he's like, I don't know if I want to go ahead and do a commitment on that and stuff. But he tried it out for $1,800 a month for the first month on there just to go ahead and give it a go. He got the automated CRM, follow-up campaigns, requests, reviews on every job on there and stuff, and then he decided to upgrade for the year on there after that. And so we appreciate Mike on there because Mike's using this tool to the full benefits. He's actually growing his deck building business and he's doing awesome things. I think he actually expanded to like 3 crews now or something like that, which is amazing. Now, I'm going to say let's go. If you want to experience this for yourself, you can try the free Deckstimate. Just go to our website on fullblastawesome.com. You can click on the Deckstimate free link on there and you can go ahead and use this as many times as you want. You can use this on your cell phone, your computers, all that good stuff, tablets. It works anywhere. You can be in the driveway. You can be at home. You can be like wherever you're at, basically. You can be at dinner with your family, you know. Send estimates. They probably wouldn't like that as much, but yeah. You can upgrade to branded for just $99 a month, or you can book a demo for Pro if you're ready to level up. So that's how it works, and they're simple as that. I'm going to do a little outro as I do on all these videos. I just want to say thank you very much for being here. Deckstimate doesn't just save time, it helps you win more jobs and run smarter business. You can subscribe to the channel, which we greatly appreciate. Like the videos, go ahead and turn on notifications, all that good stuff. We're going to give you a lot more tips, case studies, automation strategies to grow your business so that you can go ahead and increase your ROI, save time, do awesome things. Thanks so much. My name's Charlie. I'm with Full Blast Awesome. Thanks for being here today. I'll see you in the next one.